Hello my angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you, but this one is not about clothes. This one is about one of my Christmas gifts. You wanna see? Shadan! Yes, look at this mask. I really want it since forever because I have heard about how magical this is on your skin. So this is the time to see if the reviews are real. For now, let's just open this. Wow! Okay, let's see what we have inside. This one is, of course, a user guide. And here we have another guide before power up, and this is the mask. It's pretty. Oh yes, it's super pretty. I love the rose gold on it. Look. Wow. I'm nervous. Look. Okay, this is very light. It's not heavy. I thought it would be super heavy, but it's not heavy at all. Look. And the inside part has like, I don't know. I think, of course, those are the lights, but it looks like a silicone. And this is to tighten it. Oh, look. I'm so excited with this. I think I'm ready to see how this works. And look, it has a little bag, so you can take it with you anytime. And of course, a charger. I'm very nervous, but I'm super excited. Let's use it now. Okay, here you can see some results. It has blue and red light. Well, my angels, before starting, it's very important to clean the skin, so I'm going to do it right now. It is important to cleanse and fully dry the skin before putting on the mask. It has this strap to adjust it to your face. To power on, I have to hold the button for 2 seconds and has 3 types of lights. The red light helps simulate the natural production of collagen for reduced wrinkles. The blue light kills acne bacteria to clear and prevent acne breakouts. Also, you can use both at the same time. It is better to lie down so that the lights are closer to my face. You can do it every day for best results. The device automatically shuts off after 3 minutes. It is also important to clean it with alcohol wipes after use. And just to know, 1 full charge is fine for 8 to 10 treatments. In conclusion, if you're looking for an LED-like mask, this is a very good option. And well, this is all for this video, my angels. I hope you like it and tell me, will you buy this mask? Thank you, my angels. Have a good week. Bye-bye. I'll see you next time in a new video.